Greetings everyone, welcome to Just One Good Trade. It's 8:30. This is the time when the market opens and we're waiting for our first trade. Looking at the market here. There's a possibility it's going to continue. I prefer trading after an 8:31. Let us see. If you're looking at this chart here, which is the 400 chart, wow, look at this. Look at this reversal. It's brutal, isn't it? Pure reversal. 8:31. This chart here. Let's see. It's almost like a consolidation with the idea that eventually price action is going to go up, but I'm not quite sure. Here, this is almost like a sign for a trade going down. If it gave us a confirmation, that would be, but something that I'm seeing right now, is it gonna cross this line? It does. Okay, let me get in. You're gonna cross this line. If not, let's get out. What time is it? 8:33. If it crosses this line, we should exit. Okay, here it's possible that we have a consolidation period. If it crosses this decisively, let's risk a trade. Crosses this line, let's do this. Okay. We're in. Let's hope that this is an amazing trade that just trails down and crosses this low. That would be amazing, wouldn't it be? Don't reverse back, just continue. That would be amazing. If not, let me be ready for reversal. Okay, see it's touching this line but not crossing yet. this might be a moment for a reversal. If it crosses this line, that's on the best case scenario. This will give us maybe one or two more points. If not, you got a trade, so that's good. Let's go. Not indecision here. Is it gonna cross the previous low? Nice, good. But first we need to make sure that it's not gonna reverse just drastically. Could. Wonderful. Isn't that an amazing trade? That's an amazing trade. Thank you. Yesterday was a tough day. Today, the market gave us those moments of, okay. That's what I love. One of the best trades of this week. Interestingly. Wow. Okay, it might be done. See, I'm seeing a lot of indecision here. It's not crossing, it's possibly going to reverse. If it does, I need to be ready to exit. Shouldn't be too greedy. Oof, yes. Ha ha. Yeah. Okay. Okay. See that? Ooh. Okay. I exited. But I feel good. I feel good. That's a good trade. Great trade. Interestingly, it's possible that it continues down. But there is something here that signaled to me that this might be the end of this trade. But, wow, I'm happy. Estoy feliz. Je suis content. When you think about this trade here, how did we know it was going to be a good trade? How? The first one is, I love the idea of starting trades on previous support or resistance. You see this here? Almost coincides with what's happening at the start. And then this is some form of candlestick formation. This is one of the most powerful consolidations you'll ever see. See this one here? You have the opposite candle and then some form of hammer in the middle. Let me show you. Some hammer in the middle and then a decisive candle here. By the way, see that? We exited somewhere around here, I believe, 836. By 838, the market actually got back everything we made in less than 2 minutes, which is fascinating to me. It's fascinating to me that sometimes you trade for 10 minutes and you make 3-5 points. But when the market reverses, its brutal reversal almost takes everything. This is fascinating. Super fascinating. But yes, we had a good trade. Excited about that. But let's go back to our analysis. First, candlestick formation. See that? Candlestick formation on a previous support and resistance line. I'm gonna make them a little bigger for us to see. Even here, see that? Even here, support resistance line. Support resistance line. This is why I always recommend you draw your support and resistance line. Now, the other sign, that's my sign, which I could only enter here because it decisively crossed the 21 period SMA. Ideally, I should have entered somewhere here. Actually, this is where I should have entered. I entered the right place. After it crossed the 21 period SMA, even though it would have been nice if I taken it here. That would have been an extra point. But we entered here, 66, got all the way down. A good, close to a point, close to 10 points. So it probably did 8 points this morning, which is fantastic. And by the time I notice indecision here, and you'll notice indecision when the market is having trouble crossing back or obliterating a previous low. And also you'll notice it's trying to go up. It's trying to reverse, but giving you indecision there as well. Giving you a lot of tails. You know those candles with tails? That's what I call it. That's a hammer, by the way. But, which is very different than here. Here, you had that one moment and then automatically went down. Here, a succession of indecision. I'm not even trying to rhyme. That's the reality. A succession of indecision. And we realize, okay, something's going to happen here. Let's not be greedy. Let us capture our profits before leaving. Now, one final thing I should say. This trade here, for me, a fantastic trade. For me, it's a fantastic trade. When you think about it, look at that. Started exactly on the support resistance line. Price action cut. Price action in the 2 simple moving average, which is that line. See that little small blue CN line? It crossed all the simple moving average. And then get this here. There was indecision. Yes. Let's say we enter here. Get this. By the time you get 2 candles, 2 reversal candle back, which is this, interestingly, exit. By the time you get this candle here back, exit. That's a huge movement. I exited, took my small loss, but I did not. You never regret doing the right thing. That's what I've learned with trading. You never regret doing the right thing. That being said, thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Drop your questions if you have any questions that you'd like me to answer. If there's anything you'd like me to explain, I'll make sure to do so in the comments. I will leave with my favorite saying. Remember, all you need is just one good trade. See that trade here? That's all I need to do. 10 minutes, we're done. Done. Thank you again. Have a wonderful day.